One thing that a lot of flat earthers seem to have issues with is satellites, because if satellites are going around the Earth, therefore the Earth must be round. And here's a presentation from a high schooler. This is from a channel from Kevin Bobick. I don't know if this is him in high school or this was somebody he knew, but let's just listen to it.
Is in fact explained on a flat plane. You're welcome. Next thing I have to introduce is, what about satellite imagery, guys? There's so much satellite imagery showing the curvature of the Earth. There's so much saying it though, right? One problem I have about satellites, and anybody is welcome to look into this. Anybody. Satellites hang out in the thermosphere. The thermosphere is chilling at temperatures of 931 degrees Fahrenheit to 3,632 degrees Fahrenheit, an average temperature of 2,282 degrees Fahrenheit. Satellites are made of titanium, nickel, cadmium, aluminum, and beryllium. The only problem I have about this is the melting points of these metals is titanium melts at 3,000 degrees, nickel melts at 2,600 degrees, cadmium melts at 600 degrees, aluminum melts at 2,100.
The thing about melting metal is you have to heat it up to that point, and it takes a lot of energy to do so. It takes, well, this is the heat capacitance formula, which is the mass that's being heated times the heat capacitance C, which varies from substance to substance, and the delta T, which is the temperature difference. So you can't instantly melt something by taking it up to a certain temperature. So it takes a while, and to do that, in that while, there must be a lot of collisions between other particles to transfer the energy from those particles to the substance you're trying to melt, like titanium in space. And in the thermosphere, it may get up to 3,000 degrees, but it's very rarefied or less dense than it is on the surface of Earth, so there's not that many collisions. So by the time two collisions happen, there's a lot of difference between the two, and the metal has time to cool off between the two. So it's not like it instantaneously melts at those temperatures. And thank you for listening. Have a good day. And I'm just cleaning out some old files and looking for some files. That's why this one came up. Hope you have a good day, and see you next time.